Hi guys, in today's video we are going to show you an assessment we designed with second grade students. They study in a small institution. It's located in Tercera Union neighborhood. It's called Corporación Educativa Vygotsky. There are just 4 students in this grade and they share the classroom with students from 1st grade. Which makes them get distracted and confused because there is just one teacher working with 2 different groups at the same time. These students only receive 2 hours per week, which is not the established time by the Ministry of Education to achieve an A1 level. So in the first class observation, we could see that the teacher was using a lot of Spanish instead of English. He didn't even introduce the topic in the target language. He wrote expressions to read on the board and the students took about 20 minutes to write them, and then he explained in Spanish about how to use those expressions, saying good morning se dice buenos días, good night, buenas noches. And later he gave them homework and the class finished.
In the second class we observed, we could see that the teacher was doing pretty much the same. He checked homework and most of the exercises that the students made were correct. But when he asked them to give them examples about how to greet, they weren't able to produce them. And therefore we can see that they're just like memorizing and they're not really learning how to communicate using the language. We can say that the method that the teacher is using is not correct. He's using a lot of Spanish, and this use of Spanish is representing an obstacle for a student's achievement of proficiency. So it is necessary for him to start using methods that make students get interested in the lesson, because once a child gets bored, he simply doesn't pay attention to you, and the idea here is to keep them motivated to learn. That's why we decided to design an assessment that was a little more funny and interesting for them. We designed a game based on a video. The name of the game was Jump and Greet. For the game Jump and Greet, students had to first watch and listen to a video about the greetings. They could get examples about how to greet in real situations. And then we told students that they had to jump into the image that represented the greeting they were listening to. For example, if I told a student, good morning, they had to jump into the image that represented a person in the morning.
Part of our assessment was the construction of a test, and as you know, as teachers, we cannot design a test list with guests. Instead of that, we have to follow some principles in order to make a proper test for our students. We have to already study those principles in our assessment classes, based on the book Language Assessment by Brown 2004. Next, I'm going to explain you those principles and why our test is ideal and why these include those tips that as a teacher we have to follow. The first one is practicality. Our test was practical because the student had enough time to answer all the questions. To administer the test was really easy for us and also for the students because it wasn't too cheap or too expensive, and also we made it like a proper in order to clarify and tell a student why they get that grade. The second one is validity. In our test, we were focused on speaking and listening skills, so it doesn't mean that we ask for a writing production or something different. Validity means that you have to follow what you really need to check, and that's it. The third one is reliability, and to be honest, we have some problems, some little issues to apply that principle in our assessment process. Because first of all, the classroom was not in good condition to take a speaking or listening test because of the noise from outside. Second, 2 of our items were kind of difficult for second grade students. So as you know, for a second grade student, you have to be as simple as possible. However, our assessment teacher helped us and gave us some instructions and recommendations in order to improve our project and get better results. The fourth one is authenticity. All the points that we designed for our test were contextualized. It means that we gave to the students student real situation where they could use phrases as good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Also, we use a really natural language in order to make easier the assessment process. The fifth one and last one, but no less important, is what's right. Our student had a really positive attitude toward the test, and also the result that we obtained helped us to make like a diagnostic and recognize our student weaknesses and strengths.